Hello there guys and gals! Good afternoon to each every one of you. Time to reveal for how much coins that I saved. Guys, congratulate me because I beat my record for last week. From last week. It's 2,400. Now I have 2,400 again, but there's a excess of 40 pesos. It's a total of 2,440. Okay? Guys, if I were you, time to save now. Don't think twice. You will never tell. Your single peso will turn into 1 million someday. See that? And then, tomorrow will be the 100 days countdown of Christmas. Oh. Time to save money, okay? Earn, save, enjoy, and invest, for life is being unpredictable. Okay, bye for now.